What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Right, people, so I'm not one to use massive clickbaity images for my YouTube thumbnails, but you've seen Summer Rae. We're going to basically break down Summer Rae's skipping in today's video, right? And she's a massive influencer. If you don't know who she is, go look her up. But she is getting into skipping, so props to her. She's maybe not seen too much of my channel because her technique is a little bit dodgy. But today's video, we're going to be breaking down that technique. But more importantly, I want you guys to basically avoid doing what she's done, because she's going to injure herself in this video really badly. And that's the reason why I wanted to bring it up, right? Because I've got another couple of points around it. And I'm seeing so many people on Instagram, social media, people DMing me, suffering from injuries. And this thing is meant to keep you fit and healthy, right? It's not meant to kind of damage your bodies. And I myself have been injured from it. And I'll bring that up in a couple of points as well. So let's get straight into this. I'm going to roll this kind of video right now. And we'll roll it in just, normal speed, and then we'll break it down. So here's the video.
This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right, on time. It's tricky. It's the tight. Here we go. It's tricky to rock around. That's right, on time. It's tricky.
Right, so there you have it. That's the clip right there. Yeah, again, not making fun of Summer here. Props to her. She's trying to do her best to do her skipping, right, which is what we love. But there is a lot of things that we need to pick out here. Number one, first and foremost, you saw her just basically roll her ankle over, and that's due to a couple of things, right? First thing definitely is her footwear. Now, we've touched on it a few times on this this channel. A lot of people always ask me what I use. You see me use no shoes as well at times. But first and foremost, do not try and use platforms or things that have just massive heels like that. You're gonna have no control over your balance, and you're likely to obviously turn your ankle over. Remember, with skipping, we're trying to stay on the balls of our feet, okay? Now, what she ended up doing there was a couple of things, which is obviously the surface is a little bit uneven, which we'll get into. But when you've got no real feel between the floor and your feet, then you're going to run into trouble. Because for me, like I said, I like to sort of skip without trainers, primarily because I have that feel of the floor. And if I do use trainers, I really like the kind of fly knit material, which is just feels like socks. So that's point number one, guys. Just make sure you have the right footwear. Point number two is about the surface that she's skipping on. Now, I've been one to always talk about using mats. Mats are amazing, right? Not only for your ropes, but also for your joints, and you have that level surface, all right? If you're gonna be skipping on concrete, and you have seen me skip on concrete, especially when I'm doing marketing and promo videos, I will not be skipping where it's uneven, where you've got kind of slabbing, you've got, problems, right? You've got real big dangers if you are gonna be skipping with your feet off balance and you're going onto a lower surface or a higher surface. Point number three now, people, is just basic technique, right? Now, Summer, again, props to her. Again, this is not a diss or anything to her, but her technique is a little bit desired for, right? Like, she's kind of doing the kind of flapping kind of, I guess, technique. I'm not really sure what step that is, but she's obviously off balance because of, maybe her kind of experience, really. We really want to make sure that we are balanced when we're skipping, right? We want to make sure that we're on our balls of our feet, no massive excessive movements as well with our legs. We just want to make sure that we're able to absorb the impact on the floor. And at that moment in time, she obviously was trying some new kind of footwork tricks maybe, and took her eye off the rope maybe. But you just have to make sure, guys, that you pay attention to where you're stepping, where your foot or your feet are kind of landing, and we don't want you guys getting into any injuries, right? Aside from this video, people, aside from kind of using Summer as an example, other things that I've seen are things like overtraining. Now, something that I've experienced from really, I'm 35 now, like, it's crazy. I've been skipping for 5 years, and it's the first year that I've suffered an injury from skipping, and it was purely because I was trying to push out so much content. I was trying to push out as much videos, tutorials, I was doing collaborations, and I was just training and training and training. So you just have to understand, guys, that we have to look after our bodies, right? You have to make sure you warm up, warm down, stretch, and just listen to your bodies. Now, a lot of people out there, especially from what I see on social media, are trying to push out tons and tons of content, trying to learn new moves, high intense moves that are kind of beyond their kind of abilities at that time. So just listen to your bodies, know your limitations, and just work up to get to that level, okay? You need to make sure you start from your fundamentals, just basic technique, things that I always talk about on this channel. Look back at my beginner tutorials, make sure you got your balance, your technique, and your form all in the right place before you start moving through the gears. So peeps, first of all, actually, before I end this video, I just want to say big up to Summer. I don't think she's ever going to watch this video, but if you do share this video to friends, just use it as an example to make sure that you guys skip well, you look after your bodies, and make sure your technique's on point, right? So it's a quick video for myself. Remember, go copy yourself this bad boy. Use YouTube 10 for 10% discount. and keep flying, boss, as always. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up as always. Comment down below, let me know if I missed any points as well. Keep injury free out there. That's the main thing, all right? That's what I want you to get from this this video today, and keep flying, boss, as always. So I'll see you in that next video. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.